Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. The Latina Baddie makeup look is trending, so today we're creating a soft, everyday version for those who want to enhance their natural beauty without the heavy glam. Stick around until the end for more shots of the finished look. I've already prepped my base by applying foundation and setting it with powder, so to start I'll use my usual moisturiser followed by Revolution's Pore Blur for a smooth base and their mattifying primer. To correct any darkness under my eyes, I applied a colour corrector and skipping concealer since I'll be using NYX's full coverage foundation. I then set everything with a loose powder, pressing it into the skin using a short dense foundation brush for a flawless look. For the eyes, I'm keeping it simple with just 2 shades from this Revolution palette. First, I'm applying the light cream shade with a slim eyeshadow brush, buffing it across the upper brow area for a subtle highlight and sweeping it over the eyelids. Next, I'm taking a light brown shade with a big eyeshadow brush, blending it into the crease, then using circular motions to create a soft blown out effect. There's no need for precision, just let the colour transition seamlessly into the cream shade while forming a soft V shape at the outer corners. I'm also running the same shade along the lower lash line for a balanced look. To brighten the eyes, I'm applying a soft highlighter to the inner corners and centre of the eyelids using a flat brush. Then I'm using a pen liner to create a classic winged liner. For lashes, I'm starting with a lash primer, generously coating my upper and lower lashes to condition and add volume before applying mascara. When applying mascara, I like to wiggle the wand from the base to the tips, then sweep it over the top of the lashes for extra thickness. For the lower lashes, I focus on building volume rather than length, brushing side to side first before lightly combing through. To complete the look, I'm adding my go-to MAC No7 False lashes. For the face, if you prefer an easier application, I recommend powder contouring over cream. I'm using a Revolution bronzer with a large fluffy brush, softly buffing it across my cheeks and hairline for a natural look. For the nose, I'm using a fan brush to contour precisely, blending underneath and along the sides of the ridge up to the brows, then softening the edges with a clean angled brush. For blush, I'm using Bobbi Brown's blush, lightly sweeping it across the cheeks for a soft flush, then applying the same highlighter from the eyes onto the high points of my cheekbones and the bridge and tip of my nose for a subtle glow. To finish off the look, I'm lining my lips with MAC's Spice lip liner and filling them in with MAC's Spirit lipstick for the perfect soft glam pout. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Sharing is caring, so feel free to spread the word to anyone who might enjoy these tutorials or want to collaborate. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.